In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your accountant into Xero. Getting your accountant set up with access to your Xero file is one of the easiest ways to streamline your bookkeeping and make sure your accounts are accurate and up to date. I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along on your own screen. Start by logging into your Xero account and heading to your main dashboard. At the very top left of the screen, you'll see your organization name. This is usually the name of your business. Click on that organization name. This opens a drop-down menu where you can access all the key settings for your company in Xero. From that drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This takes you to the main settings area for your organization, where you control things like users, billing, and other configuration options. For now, we're only interested in user access. Within the settings page, you'll see an option called Users. Go ahead and click on Users. This is where you manage who can log into your Xero organization and what they're allowed to see or do. It's a good idea to only invite people you trust and to regularly review this list so you always know who has access. On the Users page, look for a button that says Invite a User and click it. This starts the process of adding your accountant as a new user. You're not changing your own access here, you're simply giving someone else permission to work in your Xero file. Next, you'll see a form where you need to fill in personal details for your accountant. Enter their first name, last name, and the email address they use for work. Take a moment to double check the email for any typos, because Xero will send the invitation directly to that address. If you want, you can add a brief personal message so they know what the invite is for, but keep it general and avoid including any sensitive information. Once everything looks correct and you're happy with the details, scroll down and click on Send Invite. Xero will now email your accountant with instructions so they can accept the invitation and log in. Until they accept, you may see their status as pending on the users page. And that's it. You've successfully invited your accountant into Xero, making it easier for them to support you with reconciliations, reporting, and year-end accounts.